Surprise!
What's that?
This is an early birthday present from Daddy.
What? What? Oh my... You said no presents. Do you want to help me open it?
Sure, what do you think it says?
I don't know. Oh my goodness. We said no presents.
Oh well.
Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see from that little snapshot, I got surprised by my husband with a bag and I'm really shocked, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna film this impromptu video because I want to show you guys. I wasn't planning on filming a video today. I was actually doing some work, but yeah, I just have to tell you about it. So if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. So today I'm going to be revealing what hubby bought me. This is an early birthday gift. He is so sweet. I can't believe he found it. It is a really rare bag. So I'm a little bit in shock. I don't know if you could tell from the footage. I was like, we weren't supposed to do birthday presents this year. So by the time this video goes live, we will actually be overseas on a holiday. So I wanted to film it. It was the perfect opportunity. It's actually evening now, but yeah, I just cannot wait to show you what I got. So let's get straight to it. So it comes in this box. And no, as you can see, it doesn't have a ribbon. It's not a true unboxing because I did open it before, and I am just in love. And yeah, just stop rambling, Mel, and open it up and show everyone what you got. So this is a first for me, and yeah, let me just show it to you and tell you the story. So it is the LV twist. Oh my goodness. Okay, I had to research this too. It is the LV twist in size PM in natural ombre lizard. This is my very first exotic bag. I mean, how beautiful is this? Lizard is like one of my favorites. Well, I can't say one of my favorites because I don't own any exotic bags, but I've always been a huge fan of lizard. But the price point, as you know, for any exotic bags is quite hefty. So I was like, where did you find this? Actually, before I spent some time Googling it because I can't find it on the Australian site, but I did find it on the US site, and this bag currently retails for $7,600 USD plus tax. So we're talking about over 8,000 USD. And so yes, let me get to this story. So I was like, where did you find this? I'm like, I have not even seen it in store for ages. So just a little bit about the twist bag. This bag, I think it was released maybe about 2014. So it has been around for quite a number of years, but it's a really classic style in LV. And the reason why I know that is because I was just taking a look on the LV site, and as you can see, every single season they release it in different colors, different patterns. It comes in epi leather in tons of colors. Then it also comes in lizard, and it comes in crocodile. But crocodile is like another price bracket. I think crocodile we're talking about like 23,000 Australian or something like that. So lizard is more affordable, but look, still really expensive. But I actually love lizard. Anyway, where was I? Yes, so this bag comes in 3 different sizes. So this is the smaller size, which is PM, and then it comes in MM, which is the medium, and then GM, which is the large. But within the whole twist range, it comes in, I think, on a wallet on chain. It comes in wallets as well. I think it comes even in a tote bag. And it's called the twist because, as you can see with the LV, you have to twist it to open it up. So when I open it up, inside it is just one main compartment. There is one slip pocket here, and then at the back, all of them come with this mirror, which is kind of nice to have. And this bag is made in France. So the lining is in goat leather, which is great because it is very durable. And all the metalwork, as you can see, is just in the shiny silver. So this is what the straps look like. And so if you can see me wearing it, you can wear it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it double strapped, which looks really nice. Double strapped. Usually I don't like bags double strapped, but I think this bag looks really, really classy double strapped. And obviously it works as a crossbody bag as well. So I love natural ombre lizard. As you can see, it sort of graduates, and I honestly can't believe that hubby got it. Lizard is a very durable exotic. Let me just show you the side. One feature that makes this LV twist different is if you look at the base of the bag, see that the base is sort of like in a W sort of shaped. So that is the bottom of the bag. So that W shaped, yeah, that's just a little feature that makes it a little bit different. So let me get to the story of this bag, which I've been trying to start the whole time, but honestly, I'm still really shocked and just a little bit overwhelmed because, yeah, I just really did not expect this at all. So yes, so this bag here is new, but hubby actually sourced it. Yeah, it has been authenticated, and honestly, from my years of experience, I can tell this is the real deal, but you know, he got it authenticated just for peace of mind, which I always recommend if you are buying, you know, online or from a consignment store and so forth. But anyway, he's being very secretive because, yeah, he just wants to keep his source secret. That's what he said. And he picked this up. Of course, I'll share the price with you because I cannot believe it. He bought this for 4,550 USD. So as I told you before, it currently retails for 7,600 plus tax USD. So we're talking about over a 40% saving. And I was like, I don't know how you managed to do that. It is just in perfect condition. Like, it is new. And I just can't believe I have my first exotic bag because I've always wanted to go into exotics, but haven't found the right bag. I've always liked the twist because I think it is a really classic style. I actually almost bought the size about 4 years ago, maybe in 2015. Yeah, in 2015, I almost bought the size, which is quite similar to the Chanel Boy if I'm going to compare. But anyway, I'm rambling. But this one in the PM size, in the lizard, it's just the perfect size. And I thought, since I'm here, I'm showing you this bag, I might as well show you what fits in this bag because, as I said, it looks pretty small because I did a quick measurement and it measures 19 centimeters across. So definitely fits a bigger size iPhone. So let's see what fits inside. Okay, so let's see what can fit inside. I just wanted to point out when I was twisting this, there's little details which I love. It's going to be hard to see, but even on top of this V, there's like a little LV logo engraved there. On all the metalwork, there's LV engraved there. You know, just all these little things I just think adds to the quality. And then it's got LV there. Is it focusing? Yes, it's got LV there. So yeah, I just think all that adds, yeah, just to the quality of this bag. So as I said, to open it up, LV, you just twist it and then you open it up. So inside is just one big compartment. Okay, so first off, let's just see if a LV mini pochette fits in because you guys know I always use this. And you would have to turn it on its side, and yes, it does. But if you put that in there, it probably takes up quite a lot of the space. But anyway, let's just see. So I'll put that in there. And then, of course, you have to take a phone. This is a bigger sized iPhone. Again, it does fit in, but you've got to push it. And then I have got my Chanel card holder. Let's just see if that can fit in there. Yes, it can. It's getting very squishy now. So that fits in. And then I'm going to put in my mints. It's getting very dark. My mints I'll put in there. And then what else? Let's just say I've got some hand sanitizer that can lay on top. I'm not sure. Let's just see. So that is what I've got inside. So it's really quite packed. I could even, let me just see. I've got my lipstick pen here. So pretend this is a, you know, lipstick and you didn't want to put in your LV pochette. If you lay that on top, oh my gosh, it fits. This actually fits a lot more than I've thought. This is 19 centimeters. This fits a lot more than my mini bags. See, it is fully packed. Wow, I'm even more impressed. So that is it, guys. That is my reveal of my new bag, which is the LV Twist in size PM. I do recommend you to, if you are interested in this bag, to go and try it in store because it comes in so many different sizes. It doesn't just come in the silver finish, it comes in gold too, I believe. I've seen it in black and gold and looks really classy. And I think this is a bag that in person it looks a lot more beautiful than in pictures. I don't know if the camera is doing this justice because it is just so well crafted. It's just, you can just tell it is beautifully made, beautifully constructed, and I'm absolutely thrilled that hubby found it, and I'm so thankful. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sharing in my joy and my happiness, and I will catch you guys really soon in my next video. Bye guys.